I'm Aniya.Cierra. Welcome back to my channel. So I know I'm wearing the same shirt as the last video. This is the same day. I am back with another hair video. Today I'm going to be trying this new product called Carol's Daughter Coco Creme Curl Enhancing Moisture Butter. Now, I love trying new products, but it's hard for me to find a product that I like that actually makes my curls pop more than what they already do with the products that I know I like. So, I'm going to be trying this one. I heard good things about it so far. I don't know how it's going to work in my hair. Like, it's hard to find products that mix well with other products, so I'm going to be trying this product with my gel that I always use, that you've seen in the past hair videos I've done. So I'm going to be trying this product. I do need to wash my hair first, so I'm going to wash my hair and then come back to y'all when I'm done washing my hair because it's dirty and I don't want to try new products on dirty hair. That's not going to help me at all. So this is what the product looks like. I am back from washing my hair now. I put it in these 4 buns, of course, because this is just how I like to do my hair in 4 sections. So the products I'll be using: leave-in conditioner, the new Coco Creme, and of course my gel. I also have some water in a spray bottle. I won't be doing my whole head on camera because that'll just take too long. So I'm going to do a section and then come back to you guys. Before I start, I want to tell you what order I'm going to use these products in. So this leave-in conditioner is first. Then this Coco Creme, Carol's Daughter, is second. And then this gel. That's the order I'll be going in. Not the new product. It is really thick, which is what my hair needs. But I feel like I can't tell y'all how I feel about this product until it dries. That's when I'll really know if I really like this product or not. But right now I'm just putting some gel in. I can tell that the other product that I have been using for curl cream, the Eden, it makes my curls pop a lot faster. Like with this, I do have to rub it in more and use a bit more of it than I would like. I don't know if I'm feeling it. I feel like my curls are a bit frizzy and I don't really like that. And again, like I said, I don't know. I've never used this product, so it's like I don't know what goes well with this product. It might just be my gel not mixing with it, or the leave-in not mixing with it. But whatever it is, it's making my hair frizzy. This is what my curls are looking like right now. They are a bit frizzy, as you can see. It's like clumpy and frizzy. I'm gonna finish my hair and show you guys what it looks like when it's all finished. And then I will come back to you when it's all dry. Okay, so I'm back. I finished all of my hair. This is what it looks like when it is wet. Currently drying. I can already tell that this product does make my hair frizzy. I just did this part, so that's why it's like white. I'm not gonna say I don't like the product because I don't know how it's gonna dry, but from looking at my hair right now and comparing the Eden and this Curl's Daughter, I can already tell that my hair is going to be frizzy, but it might make for a good puff. So I'll get back to y'all when my hair fully dries in a couple hours and give you my final review. But as of right now, I'm sticking with my OG product, the Eden Curl Souffle. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go to my either twist out video or my 4A/4B curly hair routine and you will see what I'm talking about. I'm not used to my hair being this frizzy so fast the first day I do it. It usually gets frizzy 3 or 4 days after I do it, so this is like a lot of frizz to me right now. And I literally just did my hair. So I don't know. Maybe I'll try this product again with a different gel. But maybe it'll get better once it dries fully. I don't know. We'll see. I'll get back to y'all in a couple hours. Okay, so now that my hair is like 80% dry, this is what it looks like. Of course, there's shrinkage and I have to stretch it, but it is really frizzy, like I said it was gonna be. I don't really like it. It's not as poppin' as I'm used to. It's just really frizzy. So honestly, I really don't like it. I prefer my OG Eden Curl Pudding Souffle rather than this Curl's Daughter. I mean, my hair is cute, but like my curls are like really big and really frizzy, and I don't really like that. And they're not really as poppin', like. That's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, like, subscribe, and don't forget to tell me if you've used this product before and if it made your hair really frizzy. Bye guys.